In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically forward specific emails in Gmail. If you're looking to streamline your email management by forwarding certain emails to another address, you're in the right place. Let's jump into it and guide you through the process step by step. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Click on that icon and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, select See All Settings. This will open a new window showing various settings tabs. In the settings window, locate the tab labeled Forwarding and Pop IMAP. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This section is where we'll manage your email forwarding preferences. Here, you'll see an option to add a forwarding address. Click on this option and a small pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter an email address. Now input the email address to which you'd like your specific Gmail emails to be forwarded. Double check the email address to ensure it's correct, as any mistake here could send your emails to the wrong recipient. Once you've entered the email address, click Next, and then confirm your action by clicking Proceed in the pop-up that appears. This step ensures that you are authorizing Gmail to forward emails to the provided address. At this point, Gmail will send a confirmation code to the forwarding email address you just entered. This code is an essential security step to confirm that you've entered the correct email and have access to it. What you need to do now is go to the other Gmail account where you've sent the forwarding request. Open that email account and look for an email from Gmail which contains the confirmation code or a link. Follow the instructions in the email by either clicking the link provided or entering the code in your original Gmail account. This action will verify your request, and once confirmed, you'll be set up to forward emails. Remember, this process only sets up the ability to forward emails. To specify which emails get forwarded, you'll need to create a filter in your Gmail account. Filters allow you to set criteria for forwarding only specific emails based on aspects like the sender, subject, or keywords within the email. You can find filters in the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab within your Gmail settings. And there you have it, you've successfully set up email forwarding for specific messages in Gmail. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes managing your emails a bit easier. Feel free to try these steps on your Gmail account and streamline your email workflow. Thanks for watching and see you next time.